Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena-Garza. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Today we're going to do an unboxing and show you some images of what I'm replacing, what's in the box. Previously on my Rockwood MiniLite 2205S 2022 edition, I had it parked at public storage here in Fort Worth, Texas. And apparently somebody in the middle of the night rammed into my travel trailer, destroying a couple of my stabilizer jacks and also my MORryde steps. They had to do some serious work to destroy them because my steps on my travel trailer are rather substantial. I had them out just to discourage somebody from towing it away. Towed away. Of course, I didn't have any insurance because I figured my car insurance would cover it while I'm going down the road. I didn't expect it to be damaged. Just, caused me over $1,000 worth of damage while parked at public storage. But I guess you learn from your mistakes. Luckily, I'm in a situation where I can afford to pay to get things fixed. So I'm going to fix this myself. The original version of the steps have pistons and they attach to the side of the doors. They're much more complex than these steps. These MORryde steps are more of an entry-level step as compared to the more advanced step with the pistons, which actually, have a little piston to soften the movement up and down. These will, you have to actually physically lock them in place and move a lock in place just to keep them secure while in transit. So hopefully this weekend, with the assistance of my wife, the senior manager of this corporation, that's what I call her sometimes, we'll install this and do it successfully. So I'm going to do a box opening. First of all, it came a little damaged on this side. Let me turn it around. So let me lift this up, see if I can lift it up. Ugh. Maybe not, huh? Maybe come over here. So right here came a little damaged, this little gash here when I got it from the folks at Amazon. Hopefully there's no issues. We'll soon find out. And I have this box atop my wheelbarrow. The first thing any new homeowner with a yard or any yard work to do should buy is a good wheelbarrow. Suggestion from the experienced here. So I'm going to open this box. Next, I'm going to lift up this box, which is rather heavy, by the way. Let me see what it says for weight. It says a hell of a lot. It's a hell of a lot. So I'm going to turn it around so I can show you what it looks like. So, this is what it looks like inside the packaging. Yes, even at 71 and 3/4, I'm still relatively physically fit. So when things happen bad to me, materially, I go, hey, at least I have my health. I'm in very good shape. I can run, I can hike, I can cycle, I can see things on the road. For an old guy my age, and I ride around, once in a while, folks my age, and they all can't see anything. It's too dark. And I go, I can see everything. It's like bright as day. So I'm very happy with my situation, even though I got damage to my travel trailer. travel trailers can be replaced. Even I can be replaced, but you know, at least I got my health and I'm feeling pretty good. And I'm excited about going camping. I'm supposed to go be in Houston in about a week or so for about a week. We're going to Photo Fest, and we're also going to cruise around at this resort, Fallbrook RV Resort in Houston, and we're going to go shopping. We're going to go to museums, and again to Photo Fest, which is a photo festival. Since I'm a photographer by trade, you know, I own a photo studio in Silicon Valley, and my wife writes about photographers. We are going to this event. It should be a lot of fun. Opening day. So there's the box. I'm going to open it up. This is going to be a bit messy because I'm all by myself, and this thing's pretty heavy. I'm going to put it on the ground and then plop it up here and call it good. So wish me luck. So it comes with fancy instructions here. Installation instructions, very nice. And let's see if it has pictures that I can see. Yes, it talks about the various hinges and depths and before you install your steps. It's a full color brochure, very nice. You know, it helps you out quite a bit. So, if experience is a teacher, my wife will want to read these instructions because I'm horrible at reading instructions. She'll go, "You're supposed to do this, Jesus. You're supposed to put that screw there. You're supposed to measure first, not just throw it in there." So I'm going to wait till Saturday for my wife when she comes back from her trip. She's always on trips. And she'll help me do the install. She'll instruct me to do it the appropriate method. The proper, as a professor would say, proper methodology, okay? Oh, wow. Looks pretty good. MORryde step above. Let me show you how it looks. This is one side. I'll hold it for a few seconds and then I'll show the other side. I'll get on the other side to show you. This is the other side. There it is. Let me put it on the lawn. Let it rest for a bit. I was thinking about replacing these steps, but they're pretty well bent, and putting a hammer to them to straighten them out would require a lot of work. More work than I'm interested in. Of course, on the right, you can see my 2 stabilizer jacks. I ordered some from Weiss, W-E-I-S-E, I think it is, Z-E or something like that. I'm going to get those before the weekend, hopefully. And what do you think? Let me just get up there real close and show you where the serious damage is. Of course, this is totally askew. This is very much damaged. That's seriously damaged. And of course, there's 2 layers, and this is all riveted together. It's not screwed or anything like that. It's just screwed up, not screwed. And over here, it's pretty good, but this will require a lot of work. Here's a close-up. It goes this way, then it goes that way. It goes this way, then it goes that way. Not good. Thanks for checking out my video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, if you've done this before, leave your kind and friendly comments below. Any sort of tricks, any special things that I should know as a newbie on installing these steps. Just leave them below. Abajo. Muchas gracias. Again, leave your kind and friendly, professional, friendly suggestions, comments, opinions below. Again, muchísimos gracias. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. This is a rather modest channel. Super, super, super modest channel. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And check out my photographs, my RVTA specific, very specific travel and RVing photographs on my specific RVing and travel photography website. Okay? Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Don't forget to ring the bell for again. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.